What's the other sign? Telling me that it's Christmas or early summer? Well, these guys here always come up around the same time, just before Christmas. This is the ice cream bean tree, flowering for our crop next winter. Yeah, the fruit comes in winter, but the flowers come in summer. So the first flowers opened a few days ago, and it's these ones here. You can see the buds on the ice cream bean tree. A lot of you have been asking me about this tree, how old it is, where did I buy it from. Bunnings sells it from time to time. And if not Bunnings, Bag in Bulleen. Try Bag or Garden World down in Braeside, Springvale South. Yeah. I'm standing on a ladder to film this for you guys, to give you a panoramic view of the garden. This is the cherry moya, which we filmed earlier, getting watered right next to the ice cream bean tree. And there you got the lamb has right there, and there you got the jaboticaba, and back there you have apple trees. Yep, we grow apple trees, cold weather apple trees, Jonathan and Granny Smith, side by side with avocados and guavas. That's the beauty of the temperate climate. You get the best of both worlds. Then we've got a plum there, some bananas in pots, the pomelo, the house, the springtime orange tree, which is going to be giving us fruit, oranges, not only in spring but all summer. This year was a record crop. I don't know if we can eat them all. Literally 500 plus oranges from one tree. Then we've got some more bananas in pots. The star fruit tree waking up, slowly waking up. The drama queen of the tropical fruit world. Then we have the new longan, doing really well. Look at all those flower buds. Then we've got another plum, tangelo, pineapple guava. That one's almost 15 years old. Look at the size of it. And I keep pruning it every year. It goes over the bungalow. Another plum. That's the Pinkerton. Another banana in a pot. Grapefruit. A couple of cherry trees. Lime tree. Pan back so I can twist around. Back up there we have a banana circle, which I started exactly 9 years ago. The greenhouse. And back to the ice cream bean tree. Right here, right in front of me. Literally. With its new flower buds coming. It's about 5 meters, 5 to 5.5 meters. Nothing compared to that big pine tree. Nothing compared to that. That's the neighbor's pine tree. Then we have a mandarin back there. It's a winter variety mandarin, which is going to get trimmed real soon. Gets trimmed every summer. Then we have the main lemon tree, which also gets a trim in summer. And then we have more bananas and the main sugar cane patch. Look at that sugar. Look at that sugar. Huh? Looks like Bundaberg, doesn't it? In your own home. And right next to it is this avocado, the Fuerte, which I planted only last year. Look at it. I'm standing above it. Beautiful tree. And beneath it is the microclimate. All the new trees that came from dailies. You can't see them. Well, you can see the jackfruit. There's the jackfruit. But the others are hidden by the avocado here. There's about a dozen trees down there, and they're protected by the ice cream bean and this Fuerte avocado. And it's a babaco. And down here we have some more young trees from dailies, which are gonna get protected by this cherry moya when it completely leaves out by the beginning of January. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video of Fruitopia, panoramic view of Fruitopia, and Merry Christmas in advance to all our friends in the temperate fruit world. Thanks for watching.